Do you know many people are having trouble with resetting their Honeywell thermostat after changing the batteries? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn system off. Step 1. Set the system switch to off to prevent the system from staying active during battery change. Step 2. Remove thermostat. Step 2. Remove the thermostat from the wall plate by pulling at the bottom. Step 3. Insert fresh batteries. Step 3. Turn over the thermostat and insert fresh AA alkaline batteries. Step 4. Reinstall thermostat. Step 4. Reinstall the thermostat back onto the wall plate. Step 5. Wait for power up. Step 5. Wait for the thermostat to power up and display the settings. Step 6. Adjust temperature. Step 6. Adjust the temperature settings to restore heat in your home. By following these steps, your Honeywell thermostat should be reset and your home will be warm again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Honeywell users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.